Nakalimutan mo ba ang iyong Maya password? Here's my step-by-step tutorial on how to reset your Maya password. Alright, let's start after this intro. Okay, so open your Maya app. Okay, so kung ito yung makikita mo kasi nakalimutan mo ang iyong password, pindutin mo muna ang close. Now is itap itong forgot your password. Then enter the mobile number na naka-register sa PayMaya or Maya. After that ay i-check ang I'm not a robot. Then pindutin ang verify. Next is i-click mo ang continue. After that ay i-check mo ang iyong email kasi nag-send si PayMaya or Maya sa'yo ng instructions on how to reset your password. Now i-open mo ang na-send ni Maya sa'yo, mag-scroll down at pindutin itong reset password now. Now is i-enter mo ang iyong new password, then confirm password. Make sure na ang iyong password ay 6 or more characters and no spaces. After mo ma-enter ang iyong new password, ay i-click itong show para makita kung nag-match ba ang iyong new password at confirmation sa iyong password. Kapag okay na, ay i-click ang continue. Alright, so password change successfully. Okay, so para ma-check ay i-open ang iyong Maya app gamit ang iyong new password. At ganyan lang kadali ang pag-reset ng iyong Maya password. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you learned from this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe now. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.